You have to be in the spirit to see these things. Ever since Jamaican TikTok opened up itself and opened up its borders to these foreigners, and I'm not talking about foreigners in terms of nationality, I'm talking about foreigners when it comes to morality, principles, the things that Jamaicans would stand up for. Ever since Jamaican TikTok became loose and degrading and immoral, because we allowed these people to come and pour money. Guys, you need to understand the spiritual significance behind sowing. Let me teach you guys something. The Bible says that when men slept, the enemy snuck in and sowed tares among the wheat. The Bible says that while men slept, the enemy snuck in and sowed tares among the wheat.